Greetings from Snake Mountain Boat Works on Wednesday, November 2, 2022. Now that's a bit of a difference, isn't it? This is our 1950 22-foot Shepherd Runabout. Let me run up the starboard side first. We ended up replacing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, not yet in, 14, 15 bottom frames. They were all shot and rotted, oil soaked, and simply unusable. Now you notice that we have applied the bilge paint to the sides of the frames, not all of them, this one was just installed, and not on the outside edges. The 5200 will adhere better to wood than it will to paint. So the next step is to install the inner skin, which will be 9mm Meranti Aquatech marine plywood, and Joe has begun the port side. Now the process is to dry fit everything, make sure that we have it all fitting, and then we seal it with Smith's clear penetrating epoxy sealer, never the cheap fake alternative. It's not cheap, it's super expensive because it just does not work. In fact, it'll do nothing but create problems for you. Don't buy it. So we will continue fitting the planks. And it's interesting, this Shepherd's inner skin is comprised of planks that are almost 10 inches wide, as opposed to the usual about 6 inches. The plywood is 9 millimeters, which is effectively 3/8 of an inch. And then once we apply the 3/8 Meranti mahogany planks to the outer skin, we'll end up with a reveal of somewhere around 3/16 of an inch on the keel. You can see we've rough fitted and installed a new section of keel. This was just rotted. You could poke a screw right through it by hand. Yeah. So we will continue working on her. It's great to see this progress. It's just deconstruction is simply no fun. This is fun. So we'll keep you up to date as we continue preserving our 1950 22-foot Shepherd Runabout. Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boat Works.